going on, everyone? Today is finally the day. We are getting the Tomei exhaust put on my G35. They're helping me out. Dark Knight Specialties, if y'all are in the Houston Spring area. Really cool people, help me out. But yeah, so we're putting it on the Tomei right now, and it's gonna sound really nice. So yeah, let's get straight into it. My man here at Dark Knight told me to put on the exhaust right now. We're gonna put on the lift in here.
Hey, entertainment. Entertainment tonight.
I did it. What if it? I'm out. What if it comes to the... Alright, give me my camera.
No, it's mine.
Give me my camera.
No,
give me my camera.
No.
No. He's put on air coil to loosen up the gaskets and everything so we can unbolt it from the Y pipe.
I think your O2 sensor's a little fucked up, bro.
Yeah, I know. That's why I still have a check engine light after my tune.
Oh my.
Bro, what the fuck?
Yeah, this is what happens when you go to the wrong muffler shop right here, guys. Yeah, Just had a speed run of Tomei install, guys. I like how I have a whole crowd of people just watching the Tomei install. This is cool.
Yep, they're welded.
Ah, fuck. I believe we got this section off now. All right, so then we got that hanger off now. Oh shit! Well, we got the whole exhaust off now. Alright, so now we got the whole Tomei here. We got the extension pipe right here. We got the muffler, the mid pipe, and the resonator right there. We got the muffler hanger. Also, guys, a little warning. If you're getting a G35 Tomei, you need this extension pipe. You gotta get it. Don't cheap out on it. It's a 3-inch extension pipe. I recommend 10 to 12 inches. So you need this to fit the Tomei on the G35. Yeah, we're gonna put the Tomei on now. One extra thing I'm doing is I'm taking this part of my bumper off so that way I don't have the two little
I'm gonna
arcs.
get gold teeth and call everybody dog.
Alright, so we got that part of the bumper off. I gotta get this part right here. Cool, let's put the Tomei on now. Hang up on the bumper. No. So because I had the stock Y pipe on still, I have to use the stock bolts to put this, to bolt this part on, because the bolt that's right here could be welded in for all I know. Okay, so we got the mid pipe and the resonator right here. The bolt's connected between the mid pipe and the extension pipe, and we're gonna try to hook up the Tomei to it, and then get all of the hangers and everything tightened. So wait, what happened?
So this is the stock exhaust hanger. Tomei's a little too big, so you got to lube her up. You got to put a lot of force on it.
You said 2 tons of force.
Yeah, hydraulic press, man.
God damn. All right, so we got the Tomei on. We're putting the springs on.
Tomei's on.
Man, this thing looks so retarded. It's gonna be amazing. Hey, look how far this thing sticks out right now. That's gonna be really cool for the flames. Oh, my neighbor's gonna hate me. That's not even a cold start. Oh, fuck. That's awesome, but like, oh no. Woo, that's so nice. All right, so we got her out. It's so nice. I'm low-key speechless right now. Alright guys, we just made it to our little Mexico spot. It might look familiar if you've seen some of my videos before. But we're gonna get some rev clips of me shooting flames, and then some flybys, maybe some rollers, and some acceleration clips and stuff like that. Okay, I'm gonna have Cody do a little pull real quick for me because I want to hear this from the outside. All right, let her rip. God, Jesus Christ. That was like gunshots, like AK-47. Golly! God damn! Alright guys, that is the Tomei on the G35. Don't forget that you need that extension pipe or else you're gonna have to wait like a week or so. Don't cheap out on those, remember. But oh my god, I just looked at the footage and those flames are absolutely insane. They're freaking massive. It has that like nice like super loudness, but it's like super pure and there's like absolutely no drone inside. I know some of you are gonna ask that. There's definitely no drone inside. It's really nice to drive around with, to be honest. And it's just, I don't know what to say. It's freaking awesome. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time on Hunter Films. Peace out.